Hey guys, welcome back to Sherwayne Music Production channel, the channel to be a part of. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and also guys, remember to hit the notification bell so you would be the first to be notified each time I upload a brand new video. So as you can see in today's title, I'm going to show you how to mix a dancehall beat and also show you how to patternize the rhythm, you know what I mean, where to put the pattern to make it have a bit of excitement and so forth. So I'm gonna play this beat that I'm currently working on. Almost finish it, not finish it as yet, but I'm gonna play it, make you guys hear it and thing. I will go over the mixing process, a quick mixing process, see, of the plugins that I use when it comes on to mixing and them thing there. Cool. So we're gonna play the rhythm now.
I'm not a scammer, don't do that. I can do it, but don't do that. And I'm still not drunk, don't do that. The move back and forth to make sure you're good.
Alright, so basically that's the rhythm. And the reason why you've been asking me a while ago is because I don't know, for some reason when the rhythm I play and me I use the the screen recorder, it come with a bag of glitching. I don't know why. But yeah, man, this is basically the rhythm. So as you know, when you make a rhythm, then you have to make sure so you do your balancing. You know what I mean? Keep them balance. You know what I mean? Merge it and them thing, the clap, the hi-hat. You know what I mean? You bring down the volume them so if it not clash for the headroom in your stereo field. You know what I mean? So you have to create a decent balance. As you know, guys, me always wrote all of me drums them. The drum consists of kick. The drum consists of hi-hat, clap, snare, percussion and all that. I wrote them to what is called a drum bus. You see me? But upon each one of the sound them I carve them, because mixing is all about carving and controlling the sound. You use the EQs to carve and the compressors to control the sound. So what we did, we just use the EQ and we carve the sound how we want it, the kick how we want it, and we route it to the drum bus. And on the drum bus we have the VMR, you know what I mean, some revival for get little grittiness and thickness, and you know, a compressor on it as well, FG 401. We have the FGN. I do some little coloring, you know what I mean, to the drum. You know what I mean, that we have that, and we have the EQ as well, cutting off some dead frequency on at the back. We have the RVOX. I do some compression as well. I lift the drums as well. So basically that's what we have for the drum. You know what I mean? And we have the reverb. We send sound, some of the sounds into the reverb, like we send the snare to the reverb. We have the delay also. You know what I mean? Some sounds like the clap would send the clap to the reverb and also the delay, because you want it to have a little delay effect to it. You get what I'm saying? So that's how I send my drums them to the drum bus. The bass, we do the bass by itself and play the solo the bass. Sometimes use a VMR on it and use the tremor. Let me show you what I will normally use sometime on the bass. Moves down. So you guys can, you know what I mean, use it if you guys have the VMR. So this is the VMR. So you have the plugin and I call it trimmer. You know what I mean? You can use it to beef up your bass line, you know what I mean? The more you turn up, the more, you know what I mean, you can even use it to create distortion and all them thing there. You know what I mean? But for this rhythm, we never use the VMR on the bass. You know what I mean? Because the 808 sound really good as you can hear. And we balance it down again in the mix. And for the rest of the sound, again, we just control some of the sounds. I don't really use EQ on them. I use EQ down at them place. Yeah. This is a little EQ. You can carve it, you know what I mean? Save on CPU spaces and them thing there. You know what I mean? Some sounds of the L2 control. Again, mixing is all about controlling the sound, you know what I mean? And carving the sound. So compression and also EQ, cutting the sound where you want it to sound. See? Alright. So basically that's how them they're the plugin we normally use. You know what I mean? When it comes down to mixing and them thing there. Sound is a different thing. You choose a sound them when you want, but basically that's what I do. You know what I mean? Again, persons are purchasing this template. It's really affordable. You know what I mean? And it already wrote and set up everything. Dial in, the kick, the bass, everything. Dial in and label for you guys, so you can purchase a template. So when you're making your beats them can sound, you know what I mean, clean and fresh like mine. It also have a mastering, as you know. You have the sorry. You have the HEQ, you have the Poke Tech, you have the Creamer, we have the SSL, we have the Fruity, Parametric, we have the Fruity Love. And these, the reason why these are on it is because we have do some right here. So when the rhythm fades out, you're gonna hear the love picture. I filter out the rhythm, and then you have a part when the EQ come in and just the bass alone. Yeah, here because that's what me set up the EQ to do. So the bass frequency them can play. So I'm gonna play the section there, the section of the rhythm so you can hear it. So you just hear it a while ago. The rhythm filter out and then you just only hear the bass. Again, me have to just clear off everything off of the canvas so the rhythm can play without itching. But I'm gonna post a rhythm up on my channel. So you guys can check out the final product. Patternizing what me do sometimes to make it sound different is feel like cut up the pattern them, you know what I mean? So basically we just copy and paste what the chorus right here, so but we just cut it up, you know what I mean? Don't be afraid to use up this song, cut up a thing them, cut up a sound them, you know what I mean? Make them sound away, you know what I mean? Sound unique. You must hold that sound, so I'm gonna play right here so make you guys hear that. I'm gonna clear this up. So it give you rhythm variance, you know what I mean? When you know how to govern your thing and them thing there, you know, make a thing sound different. So hope you guys learn a thing or two. You know what I mean? Remember guys, like, share, subscribe. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think in the comment section also. You know what I mean? I look out for that rhythm. Tell me if you name it in the comment section. And it's Sherwayne and see you in the next one. Cool. Bless up.